Ayan, hello mga kalindog. This is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong kalindog. Lipstick lang ang katapat. Today is Victoria's schedule for a shower or douchen. So ngayon guys, tung ating vlog is pakita ko sa inyo paano maligo si Victoria, okay? But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. So let's start.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Mga kalindog, today is Victoria's schedule for the shower. Ayan, shower time for Victoria. Ay mga kalindog, I show you paano maligo si Victoria, okay? So, let's watch mga kalindog. And we're going to use my, of course, the head and shoulder. Kasi the veterinarian told me it's better we use for the dogs our shampoo. Much better than the dog shampoo. Well, I do it always. So, yung mga kalindog, no? Let's do it! Victoria will going to take a shower because it's a little bit smelly. Right, Vicky? Ayan mga kalindog. So, Victoria's shaking already because Victoria doesn't like too much cold. And you know, Chihuahua is always cold. So that's why mga kalindog. Ayan, no? So ngayon mga kalindog, let's do it. Wait, ha? So ayan mga kalindog. Ayan mga kalindog, Victoria's going to shower now. Ayan. But Lucky also, look Lucky, this hand. Lucky is, what do you call it? You don't like the dog, Victoria's. Ayan mga kalindog, ayan. Ganyan pinapaliguan si Victoria. This is how Victoria taken the shower. With warm water para hindi siya na. So, warm water is better para she's not, what do you call, getting cold and crying. Wait, wait. Okay. Give her the shampoo. Kasi she's in the night, she's always itchy. Ayan. So she need already really to shower. Mga kaling ganyan lang. Kasi take them a shower like once in 2 weeks. Kasi here is winter. Actually, the dog is not necessary to take a shower every day. Ayan, or every week. I take her a shower only when she's really needed. Ayan. Oh, my new baby. Ayan mga kalindog. It's good, man. Yeah, Lucky ba? Mama shower. Kanya mama ay shower. Ayan, si Lucky, she's worried with her mom. With his mom, I mean. Ayan. It's good, Sean good, Sean good. Ayan, actually si Victoria is very easy how to take a shower. Not like Douglas, because Douglas is too much hair. Ayan mga kalindog, kanya lang pag-shower ni Victoria. Hindi kagaya ni Douglas. Douglas is so hard to take him a shower, you know? Ayan mga kalindog. So, tapos na si Victoria maligo. Let's dry her. Sometimes, I need her to, blow her hair. Kasi para madali siyang dry. Kasi, she need also to take a shower once a week or once in 2 weeks. Kasi she's always itching. Actually, dito kasi, here in the street is full of sand, especially when winter. I think for them, that is so itchy. Disgusting for them, you know? Ayan mga kalindog, Victoria's already danced, showered. Ayan. Kailangan lang natin siyang i-dry better. Para hindi siya na giniginaw. Ayan. Before I put her down, I need to be sure that she's really dry. Ayan mga kalindog. Kasi she's getting cold. Ayan, especially the ears, we need it to clean it. Ayan. And then after that, mga kalindog, ilapag natin ko siya. Oh, I put her in the floor with this towel. So you will see she really love it. And after shower, she love, she love playing, and then she gonna sleep better, you will see, okay? Come, throw ka here. Ayan, nagda-dry na siya. Ito si Douglas, ang mahirap haliguan mga kalindog. Kaya, she tried to dry herself by herself, you see. That's it mga kalindog. Yeah, that's it. Ayan, mga kalindog. Ganyan siya. After her shower, always try to dry herself. Come here, Vicky. Come here. Throw in here. Throw in. Here, come on. Come in here. Good girl. Ayan, mga kalindog. Douglas, and Victoria. Yan, to be shared to it. Come in here, Vicky. Ayan mga kalindog, tomorrow is Douglas. I will show you also Douglas. But Douglas is very hard to take him a shower kasi his hair is too much and too long. Ay, hindi kagaya ni Victoria. Ayan, let's do that. Okay guys, let her go there. Ayan, she's starting now to play. I told you after she ayan mga kalindog. Come here, Vicky, oh. Throw in here. Douglas, needs to. Victoria. Vicky. Ayan mga kalindog, ganyan sila kagulo. Lalo na si Victoria after na maligo talaga siya. She really want to run. So I think she wanna dry herself. So kaya it's running, ayan. So, pour my sopa. So, ayan mga kalindog, ganyan lang ang after Victoria's shower. So, ayan mga kalindog ha. Thank you. Ayan, thank you mga kalindog. Bye. Thank you for watching. Ayan mga kalindog. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Salamat sa inyong always watching for my videos. And I hope that you enjoy Victoria's shower for today. So, till next video. So, thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.